Hello everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can switch your professional Instagram account to your personal Instagram account. So how you can do, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Open your Instagram application, then click on profile option, and then you can simply click here on three lines. Click on it and you can see the settings open. Click on settings and you can simply scroll here and you can see the account option. You can click on it and you can scroll down and you can see the second last option, switch account type. Click on it. Simply click on switch account type and you can see the two options. The first option, switch to personal account. You can click on it and you can click on it, switch to personal account, and it's gonna update. Wait a few seconds, it's gonna update and you can see the professional Instagram account has been successfully switched to your personal Instagram account. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will see you in another video.